coming. My name is Eleazar, or Z for short. I'm the marketing manager for Brife Europe. And today I'm going to present to you of my second favorite product after, of course, our amazing Itera Care. This product is really something that really helps me a lot every day. It makes a huge difference in my health, and I can't live without this product. This is really a truly amazing product. So let me open my presentation. Okay. All right. So before I proceed with the presentation, of course, we have our usual reminder that what we are presenting to you is not a medical advice. This is in no way a substitute to medical um, uh, advice. So this is an amazing product which has many health benefits. All right, but they are in no way a substitute to medical treatment. So if you have any medical condition, please see your doctor. Okay, get a professional consultation so that they can advise you accordingly. All right, so of course my job is to present to you the amazing benefits of this product. All right, now that's out of the way. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I want to present to you the world's first oxygen nutrition infuser. Okay, so this is not a purifier, it's not a filter, right? This is the world's first oxygen supplementation system. Okay, so you can compare these, it's like a capsule, right? For vitamins, minerals. So the capsule is the delivery mechanism to deliver the nutrients. Okay, and so like the capsule here, the water is the delivery mechanism delivering the nutrient, which is the oxygen. Okay, so each capsule has a different value of the nutrients it's delivering. It can be 50 milligrams, 100 milligrams, right? So it varies depending on the milligrams. Now, this one, it depends on the shots or the cycles that you select to give you the concentration or the supplementation of oxygen that you want. All right. Okay, so we are going to talk about the two most important thing in our health, right? Two most crucial contributors to our health, and I don't think anybody will argue against it. All right, two most important contributors to our health, of course, is water and oxygen. Okay, let's start with water. All right, so no contest there. About two-thirds of our bodies is made up of water. Blood is 83% water. All right. Our brain and muscles are 75% water. Even our bones, our dense bones, is made up of 22% water. So, needless to say, hydration is crucial to maintaining a healthy body. Water has so many functions. It helps carry nutrients and oxygen to our cells, also helps detoxify, removes waste from the body. Very, very important. In the early onset of osteoporosis, water can also cushion the joint. Obviously, our bodies cannot function well if we are not hydrated enough. Right? Dehydration can cause your blood to clot. Right? So that's how it affects our body. And just by drinking the right water, many diseases can already be alleviated. So no argument there. Water is very, very important. All right. Next, even more than water, we know that oxygen is the most important thing, right? We can last for 3 weeks without eating food. Some people can even go beyond that. We can last for 3 days without water, but we can only last 3 minutes without oxygen. All right, our brain consists of 80 billion neurons that is always constantly at work, controlling our movement, our speech, our thoughts. All right. And the brain has very limited blood oxygen reserve. That's why if you deprive the brain of oxygen for just 3 to 5 minutes, it can cause irreversible damage in the brain. You can have fainting, seizure, and worst case, coma or death. That is how crucial it is to have oxygen. All right. So more and more people are realizing the importance of oxygen for longevity, all right, even in stem cell growth, in improving cellular metabolism. So oxygen is very, very key. If you want to reverse aging, want to look younger, you need oxygen. Okay. And oxygen is also a natural energy booster. And not only that, it also helps with the mood. So actually, good mood is associated with elevated supply of oxygen. So when you have a lot of oxygen, you are actually going to be in a good mood. That's why no one wakes up very happy and ecstatic, right? It takes a while before you get into the mood because you're coming from your sleep and your breathing is a bit low, so the oxygen supply is quite low, so it takes a while before you get into the mood because of that oxygen supply. Now we are facing an oxygen crisis. Okay, oxygen levels in the air, especially in cities and indoors, are declining according to some studies. Okay, air does not equivalent to oxygen. There are different oxygen levels depending on the situation. All right, depending on how many you are or how the ventilation is in the area that you're in. And aside from that, respiratory diseases, okay, can also diminish our lungs capacity to absorb oxygen. So of course, lungs is the primary and for many of us the only source of oxygen. And the capacity to absorb is affected depending on the health of our lungs. Okay. Now, when we are deprived of nutrients like vitamin C, you can easily get it from a food supplement. You can get multivitamins, let's say, yeah, vitamin C, for example. You can get it from foods, right? So there's a way to supplement your deficiency of vitamin C. But when you are deficient with oxygen, there is not really a lot of option to supplement oxygen. Okay, now why do we need oxygen? All right. So in our cell, we have a very important organelle called mitochondria. All right. So this mitochondria is the power generator of our cells. Okay. It generates the energy that the cell needs for all its critical function. It needs the energy to repair or heal itself, to keep itself young and alive, to fight infection, and do all the necessary function. All right. Okay. So this energy that the mitochondria produces is called adenosine triphosphate, or in short, ATP, which is the fuel currency of the body. So when you have plenty of ATP, you will be full of energy, just like a rabbit or a squirrel. You're going to be so alive and bubbly. But when you have low ATP, all right, you will feel lethargic, okay, and you will feel low in energy. And now the main ingredient to produce this energy called ATP is oxygen and glucose. All right. So when ATP is produced using oxygen and glucose, you have what you call aerobic respiration, which produces the maximum amount of ATP, which means you're getting a lot of energy. You're going to be full of energy. But when there is oxygen deficiency, the mitochondria is forced to use glucose alone without the oxygen. And this is called anaerobic respiration. So this process produces much fewer ATP. So that means you have lower energy, you have fewer energy, and it produces what you call lactic acid, which causes muscle pains. All right. So that's why when you have plenty of energy, plenty of oxygen, these equals to plenty of energy. All right. And not only energy, but also you will be also in a very better mood. Okay. So what else is ATP used? So ATP is used to repair our cells. The cell needs ATP to repair or heal itself, to fight infection, and do all the other things. As a matter of fact, technically 60% of health problems is caused by a deficiency in oxygen or hypoxia. All right. So when we have few ATP, our cells heal slower. Aside from having lower energy, our cells are not able to heal properly and it's not able to function well. That is why many health problems is caused by hypoxia. All right. Oxygen also helps prevent and gets rid of cancer cells. Now, as we age, our bodies absorb less and less oxygen. Okay, why? And the body needs oxygen to heal, but our capacity to absorb oxygen diminishes. All right, and without oxygen, there is no healing. All right, that is why uh, when we have an issue with our lungs, we get weaker and we are more prone to disease. All right. And a severe form of diabetes prevents oxygen from being absorbed by the body. That is why some of the wounds, for those who have these types of diabetes, these wounds do not heal because of lack of oxygen. Okay. But if the cells get more energy, the immune system is strengthened. And of course, aging slows down. Now, when you get COVID, right? The virus infects your air sacs and you accumulate mucus in the air sacs. So it's like you're actually drowning in dry land. And the thing is, for those who have had COVID, usually your lungs get scarred. And even if you have already recovered, um, it still affects you afterward. And this is called long COVID. That's why the recovery rate from illness is sometimes longer, and some people don't even recover fully. All right. And some people have not fully recovered from COVID. All right. So this is what long COVID is. And symptoms of long COVID includes mental health problems like anxiety, depression, nervous system issue, memory problem, stroke, headache, metabolic problem, endocrine issues, blood clot, anemia, and fatigue. Okay. Now, this doctor, his name is Dr. Otto Warburg. He is a Nobel laureate. He is known for his research in cancer cells. And what he said was, if you deprive cells just 35% of oxygen for 48 hours, those cells can actually turn cancerous. Okay, because with the absence of oxygen, all right, the cells deteriorate and they can turn cancerous. But when you increase the oxygen supply, all right, it actually kills the cancer cells. Now, when you are going through a chemotherapy, when a patient is going through a chemotherapy, so the chemotherapy targets the cancer cells, right? But as it targets the cancer cells, it inevitably also kills the good but weak cells. That is why sometimes you hear there are patients who die of chemotherapy, not even of cancer, but chemotherapy, because it has killed a lot of cells and has deteriorated the health of the patient, right? So when you drink a lot of oxygen water, what happens is it kills the cancer cells and then it strengthens the weak cells. That is why whether you're taking chemotherapy or you are going to do this, you are going to deal with the cancer in a natural way, it will be complementary either way. So this will be very uh, helpful for those who have cancer. Again, it's not a treatment, but it will complement whatever treatment that you are doing. Okay, now we know that oxygen is very important. How do we increase oxygen? All right. Now, one of the most popular way to increase oxygen that has a lot of people, especially the rich people, are doing is what you call the hyperbaric chamber. Okay, the hyperbaric chamber is not a new thing. It's been there for about 50 years, and this is actually some people use it to treat cancer. Okay, so what happens is when you go to this chamber, it is pressurized and it has a high concentration of oxygen. So it tries to, force oxygen into your tissue and into your lungs. Okay. But of course, this is not very accessible to most people. It's quite expensive. It's not simple to use. It's not portable. And as a matter of fact, there are also health issues in using a hyperbaric chamber. All right. Doctors have discovered some health problems stemming from this. And another thing is that after you leave the hyperbaric chamber, of course, you go back to the normal oxygen level, so you don't have that long-term effect of oxygenation. That's why some wealthy people, they invest in this thing. They buy their own hyperbaric chamber. Okay, so aside from this hyperbaric chamber, there is really no option to supplement oxygen. Okay, until now. Okay, so this is what I'm excited, because this is a need that all of us have, and finally there is a solution. Okay, and of course the solution is our Oxytop, the world's first oxygen supplement infuser. All right, we're proud to say that no one else in the world have this technology. So in truth, we don't really have a real competition. All right. For now, we are the only ones that have this technology, especially something that is accessible to most people. Now, some people say that oxygen water does not work. And actually, there's a truth to that. Because when you buy oxygen water, the oxygen water is bottled in the plant, right? As soon as it leaves the plant, the oxygen starts leaving the water. So actually the oxygen content, the dissolved oxygen content starts going down. And that is why it doesn't work. Now with Oxytop, Oxytop is not an oxygen water. All right. So Oxytop is actually a mini factory of oxygen water. So you are actually making your own oxygen water fresh in the comfort of your home anytime that you want. And that is why it is effective, because you have fresh oxygen water. It's not an oxygen water that has been bottled for months and you are just consuming it now. No, it's fresh oxygen water. Now, oxygenated water is an effective, fast, and safe way to supplement oxygen supply. Of course, the lungs is the primary source of oxygen absorption, but oxygen water is an excellent way to supplement oxygen. All right, so within seconds of drinking oxygen water, you can already see the blood oxygen rising. All right, we always do that test, and you can see just in few seconds you can see the rise in blood oxygen. So oxygen is absorbed in the cells 10 times faster through oxygen water, and absorption is also 6 times higher in the liver, which is also important, especially those who are drinking, because when you drink, well, those who are drinkers, there are harmful substance produced in the body, and the oxygen disposes of these harmful substances. Now, what is fresh water? What is the definition of fresh water? Okay, so the definition of fresh water is water with dissolved oxygen ranging from 8 to 20 parts per million of dissolved oxygen. So that would be your mountain water. Unfortunately, we are having less and less access to this fresh, flowing drinking water with high dissolved oxygen. All right, since we are now getting our water from the modern water distribution system, so we don't live near nature. We don't get our water from the stream, we get it from the pipes, so that has less dissolved oxygen. And of course, in these days, in the water that we have is heavily treated, and that's why many of us need, and it's important also, it is good to filter our water because of the chlorine and all the harmful elements. But when you filter the water, all right, it also filters some of the oxygen. So the better the filter is, the more oxygen it removes from the water. When you boil the water, all right, it also removes some of the oxygen. Okay, now let's talk about bottled water. All right, whatever bottled water, may it be the top most expensive bottled water. All right, so here it's asking which is the freshest. So let's look at this. Now, after 8 to 12 months, the dissolved oxygen in bottled water actually becomes less than the top water. Okay, because as it is bottled, after it is bottled, all right, it starts losing its oxygen. All right, so as soon as the water is bottled, the oxygen starts leaving the water already. And oxygen also rises to the top. So when you open the bottle, the oxygen escapes because it is not dissolved in the water. All right, so bottled water will have about 5 to 8 parts per million of dissolved oxygen. All right, and what happens when water has a low dissolved oxygen? So if we are saying that the definition of fresh water is water with a high dissolved oxygen content, that means a water with a very low dissolved oxygen content is a stale water. So it becomes unhealthy when it has very low oxygen content. All right. So good news is that OxyTap will transform your stale dead water to fresh water full of dissolved oxygen. And there is no technology right now available other than OxyTap that can do this, that can give you a fresh mountain water in just a matter of 3 minutes. Okay, and there is no comparison. As you can see, there is no comparison with the oxygen level of OxyTap water and bottled water. All right, so our OxyTap water, the one cycle is at least 3 times more of the dissolved oxygen. All right, so with just one press, OxyTap can refresh your water to 25 parts per million and above, okay, which is actually higher and better than the mountain or the freshest water. All right, so when you have your OxyTap, you can drink the freshest water every day. All right, you have the source of the freshest water every day right in your home. And if you're feeling tired at the end of a long day, a long work day, all right, you can, instead of getting a one shot, do a double shot. And the dissolved oxygen will be almost 30 parts per million. And it's going to be like drinking a shot of espresso. Okay, you're gonna have energy like drinking coffee, but it's actually better. You feel a better energy. It's a different kind of energy. It's the good kind of energy, and you don't get dehydrated. It's a good feeling. When I've had a lot of coffee, it's not necessarily a good feeling. Okay, aside from that palpitation that you feel sometimes, you feel dehydrated, right? And sometimes, of course, you get acidic. So this one is the good kind of energy. When you're feeling a little sick, do a triple shot. Okay, do a triple cycle. and the dissolved oxygen will be more than 30 parts per million. And when you drink it, you will feel better. Okay, you know, many health problems starts with oxygen deficiency. I cannot stress enough how important oxygen is for your health. Okay, so this is the factory of Oxytap. So you're getting a whole factory. All right, Oxytap is a fast generator of oxygen in just 3 minutes. All right, it self generates oxygen from water. So you don't need to have a separate oxygen gas or tank. Okay, so what it does, all right, is it splits the oxygen and hydrogen in the water. Okay, now the hydrogen gas comes out to the side chamber. So there is a side chamber, which you will see in the parts later. In the side chamber, which is located outside of the main Oxytap machine, where the hydrogen gas comes out, right? When it interacts in air with air, it turns back into water, and so the wastewater goes to that chamber. Now the pure oxygen is kept in a compartment, and then it is mixed back again into the water. So when the system senses that the water has low dissolved oxygen, it will then infuse more oxygen. It will repeat the process. So this is self-sustaining. All right. And the only byproduct is the wastewater. So it's low maintenance. You don't have to have a supply of oxygen tank, oxygen gas. There is no problem with the byproduct. The waste product is simply water, which you can throw, and it's not harmful. Okay, and the dissolved oxygen is stabilized in nano size, and that is why it is absorbed fast in the body. And also, this dissolved oxygen lasts for long. It is stable, and in room temperature, it lasts for 24 hours. If you refrigerate the water, it can last for more than a week. If you put it in ice, it will be stable as long as it is frozen. Okay? It is only until it is melted. And also the structure of the water is not altered. So it stays the same. All right? So you can use it with other water treatment, water filtration, or even like what we are using, Itera charged water. It complements because it doesn't change the structure. So the Itera, changes the structure, the molecular structure of the water, but Oxytap does not. It simply infuses dissolved oxygen. All right. So as you can see here, and as we have seen, right, just in a few seconds, when you drink Oxytap water, you can already see the rise in blood oxygen level, right? And we have seen this. We do a lot of tests, and in many cases, you will see an increase in the blood oxygen after drinking Oxytap water, after just usually seconds, but sometimes minutes. All right, and there are plenty of testimonies after drinking Oxytap water. Some have seen it immediately. Some after a few months they have seen a huge effect in their health. For example, this woman, all right, so she had COVID, and her left leg is numb, and she cannot almost use that leg because it's numb, and she doesn't have strength. For 3 years it's been like that. After drinking Oxytap water, she was able to right, she was able to use her right,
Serious?
yeah, right leg. You can see she
Amazing.
was stepping on her right leg. And that is just one of the many testimonies. I myself have seen so many testimonies, and myself as well. That's why I said this is my favorite product after Iteracare, because this is, when I feel sleepy, I'm tired, and I have a lot of work. If I drink Oxytap water, all right, the high, 2 shots or so, 2 shots, 3 shots of water, after about 3 glasses, I already feel energized. And it's not the energized like you are stimulated or you're palpitating. No, you kind of, it's the kind of energy where you can think clearly. All right, you can think clearly. You can better concentrate on your work. So that's why it's really amazing, and that's just one of the effects to me. I have so many benefits, so many good experience with it. It helps with my bowel movement. I feel better. I feel really good if I can drink Oxytap always. Actually, if I have a chance, I will drink only Oxytap water, and I can testify it's really amazing. You can see the difference. You can see the result in your body. Okay, so these are some of other testimonies. Of course, there are many testimonies, but these are just some of them, and that's just 10 seconds. Okay, so refresh mode is one shot. You press once for 3 minutes, you get you refresh the water that will have a higher oxygen, dissolved oxygen, more than in nature. Okay, so this is good. As I said, this is good for those who are studying or working. Okay, because it supplies your brain with oxygen. When you have a low oxygen in your brain, then you will feel sleepy. The more you concentrate, the sleepier you will get. Now, the difference between the consumption of oxygen in our brain and also in the other parts of the body. When the muscle is needs a lot of supply of oxygen, then the oxygen consumption goes higher. But with the brain, whether you are staring blankly, thinking about nothing, or you are trying to solve the world's problem, you are getting the same amount of oxygen in your brain, right? So that's why some people get a brain fog, because you have reached the limit, okay, of your brain's capacity, because the oxygen supply is not increasing. So when you take in more oxygen, then the oxygen goes all over your body, including your brain, then you are able to actually think better, concentrate better. That's why this is good for those who are studying, who are working. If you have a test, uh, prepare a lot of Oxytap water, right? Prepare a lot of Oxytap water, high concentration, bring gallons of Oxytap water, and I'm sure you're gonna perform better. I'm sure of that. This can also help with pain, with neck pain. Okay, because we will talk about it more later. Oxygen can relieve pain. Now, next is Re-Energize, double shot, which takes 6 minutes. Okay, so this is good for for these problems. I mean, these issues. It's good for weight loss because it speeds up metabolism. All right. When the body does not have enough oxygen, it cannot process waste. Okay, causing water retention. So when we have more oxygen, then the cells will be able to detoxify better. All right. Oxygen also helps in fat burning and digestion. Okay. Revitalize is triple shot. All right. So that's 9 minutes. And that gives you more than 30 parts per million. Okay. You can use this also for beauty. You can mix it with your serum and put it as a face mask. Okay. And if you are in pain and you're feeling unwell, you can use this and you're gonna feel better. All right. Okay. So something interesting. All right. So what they did a test with Oxytap. This was done in Israel. So they sent this. They sent the machine to Israel, to this medical hyperbaric center. Okay. So now, instead of using, we usually use the oximeter to test the blood oxygen, but this time what they did is use tissue oxygen meter. Okay, because this measures the oxygen not just in your blood but also in your tissue. Okay, because the oxygen in the blood enters, oxygenates also your tissue. So this is even a more accurate way of testing the oxygen in your body. All right. So what they did was they, someone drank normal water and they tested the person, this test subject, and then he drank oxytap water, and then they tested him again. So what they did was they attached four measure points. One is in the heart area, another one in the left hand, and another one in the right hand, and one in the left leg. And also an oximeter was attached in the finger. Okay, so after that, so you can see the first part. This is the part where the person was drinking normal water. Okay, this is normal water. So they're measuring the different points. So the left side, this is the heart area, and then the left hand, the right hand, and the this is the left leg. Okay, so then after that, the subject drank water, 200 ml of water. After 10 minutes, they tested again. All right, and then drank another 200 ml of oxytap water. Then 10 minutes, tested again. And finally, lastly, 500 ml of water, and then they tested. So what they found out, test shows, is that the heart area had an increase of 48.1% of oxygen. That's amazing, right? 48.1% of oxygen. And the left hand, okay, the oxygen increased by 18%, the right hand by 22.2%, and the left leg by 10.6%. That is phenomenal, right? That's amazing. So if someone has a diabetic foot ulcer, all right, that is probably in danger of being amputated, if he drinks plenty of oxygen water every day, so the oxygen level in the leg will rise, and over time it will heal faster, and you have a very high chance of saving that leg. And as a matter of fact, there are testimonies about that, of those who save the leg, after drinking, oxytap water. After 6 to 9 months, the wound healed and the leg was saved. We have such a testimony. Amazing. Okay, so this is another test using oxygen water, okay, in cancer cells. This was done in Australia, in Monash University. Now, they did not use oxytap water here. They use another oxygen water, but the oxygen water here has actually a lower dissolved oxygen content than oxytap water. So that means the effect, the result that we expect from oxytap is higher than the test they've done here. All right. So what they did, they tested this on mice. So there's two groups of mice. All right. So one group of mice will drink oxytap water, and the other group of mice will drink normal water. Now, what they did is they injected these mice with tumor, with prostate cancer, and for 9 days, one group of mice were drinking oxytap water, and one group of mice were drinking normal water. Right. So after 9 days, this is what they have seen. All right. So the mice that was just drinking normal water, there was an increase in cancer cells. All right. So it grew. The cancer cells grew. But then with the group that drank oxygen water, the growth was minimal. There was a huge, huge difference. And when they did a PET scan of these mice, right, they've seen that the group that drank oxygen water had almost no growth of tumor. Right, that is the A. All right, and then the group B, the one that drank normal water, you can see that there is a significant growth. You can see a significant difference between those that drank normal water and those that drank oxytap water. So that tells you already that drinking oxygen water has an effect has a significant effect in your health. So this is just 9 days. Can you imagine if you are drinking it in and out every day, week by week, month by month, year by year? The effect in your health is going to be amazing. It's going to be phenomenal. So let's talk about health benefits of Oxytap. Okay, for sports and gyms. All right, this is very good for physical activities. Now, when we start on physical activity, we generate energy by what we call aerobic respiration, which I explained a while ago. So we are using a lot of oxygen, right? So that is called aerobic respiration. But as we push ourselves further, our oxygen supply diminishes or gets depleted, and we shift from aerobic to anaerobic metabolism. When we shift there, a process called glycolysis starts, and glycolysis produces lactic acid. So this lactic acid is actually what causes your muscle pains and your cramps. This is what is causing you pain. When you drink Oxytap water, oxygen water before the physical activity, your muscles will have enough oxygen supply that will prevent the production of lactic acid. And also, oxygen can also get rid of the lactic acid. So it's good to drink it before and also drink it after to manage the pain. All right. So as we said, this is very good for those who are studying. Okay, it really helps it gives your brain enough oxygen supply, and when you have a high supply of oxygen, you can think better, and not only that, you're actually going to be in a better mood. So positive mood actually is associated with high levels of oxygen. When you have a high level of oxygen, it's very hard to be in a bad mood. But when you have a low oxygen supply, all right, the tendency is you will be in a bad mood. That's why it not only affects our thinking, our focus, our concentration, but also our mood. All right, so this is very good also for wellness, health spas, beauty spas. Oxygen is number one anti-aging. All right, so the more oxygen water you drink, the less freckles you can have, and less aging spot. It will improve your skin. Needless to say, this is very good for the skin. Helps with the lines and the wrinkles, helps increase the moisture to the skin. So basically makes your skin look younger. This is very good for weight loss because it increases your metabolism. Helps you burn more calories. And also when you drink more oxygen water, it also curbs your appetite. So it helps you manage calories that you are taking in. And then this helps you also with replace your sugary drink. Okay, and oxygen water aids in digestion. This is true for me. This is very helpful for my digestion. I can attest to this. This is very good for digestion. For drinking, okay, I am not encouraging drinking. Okay, drinking of course have its health effects. Okay, so I'm not going to encourage drinking, but if you are drinking, when you are drinking, the body produces harmful substance that is not good for your health, and it produces a substance called acetaldehyde. All right, so acetaldehyde is what causes your hangover or feeling drunk. Only oxygen can remove acetaldehyde. So when you drink oxygen, then you don't get your hangover. You don't get that headache. So this is very good. It protects your liver and helps you from hangovers. This also helps with pain and also diseases. All right. Sometimes we get a very poor blood circulation. Okay. Our veins are constricted. So the blood is not able to flow normally, which causes inflammation. Now, oxygen, when we have a high blood oxygen, it will help alleviate this inflammation. All right. That is why you feel a lot of relief. Okay, so as we said, many health issues, health problems technically are caused by hypoxia. So just by increasing your oxygen supply, oxygen intake, you will already alleviate many, or you will prevent many of these health issues from even developing. If you are not yet convinced with this super amazing phenomenal product, I don't know what will make you be convinced, because this is really an amazing product. Every investment that you make is so worth it. You know, you drink water every time, every hour, every minute, every day. So when you are getting water that really helps your health, that improves your health, then it can transform your health. It can make a huge difference in your life. That's why I'm so excited about this product, because this product will really make a difference in your health. All right. So what's when you get an OxyTap, what's in the box? All right. Let's. So you will get the main OxyTap machine, of course. You get the two bottles. Okay, so these two bottles is, you don't have to use it always. You can, most people use pitcher, a glass pitcher, but this one is just to get you started. So you can already use it as soon as you get the product. All right, to find a glass that can fit the thread, or as we do it here in the office, we use a pitcher, because of course you want to drink a lot, so it's better to use the filter. Okay, so you get the cord, and you get that a small chamber that you put on the side. So that's it. You're good to go. And as we said, this is self generating, so it's very low in maintenance. Okay, there's really no supply that you need, oxygen tank, oxygen gas. You don't need for that. After about a year or so, then you may need to bring it for normal servicing. Okay, but even if when it stops working as well, that can also be an indication that you need to service it. Maximum oxygen levels in just 3 minutes. All right, in the comfort of your home, you have the freshest water available, always unlimited supply of the freshest water. All right, so thank you so much.